It's you, plus more capabilities.
Cars got computers and you got to be able to speak their language.
With the SOLUS Plus, we can give better service to our customers quicker.
The new Snap-on SOLUS Plus puts cutting-edge diagnostic power in your hands.
Time is money, and I got to get these cars out as fast as possible, and the SOLUS Plus gets me there.
The unit itself feels like it's really durable. Like if I dropped it on accident, it's not going to just shatter and stop working on me in the middle of a busy day.
The screen on the new one is a lot better picture.
If I'm working outside for some reason and it's really sunny, I can have the screen at full brightness and it's not a problem to read. It feels really smooth, almost like you're working with a smartphone.
Smooth and fast. Boots up in just 2 seconds.
I plug it in, the car pops up immediately.
That's instant ID for a wide variety of vehicles,
It's also got Ethernet and CAN FD.
which means you could connect to some of the latest European and high-end cars.
SOLUS Plus has a one-touch code scan that can scan every module in the vehicle.
Make sure you're on Wi-Fi, now with 5 GHz speeds, and that pre-scan will automatically sync to the Snap-on cloud. Access vehicle reports from your phone or computer and share them with customers. That Wi-Fi connection also means you always have the latest data for SureTrack.
SureTrack tells me what other mechanics had problems with in the past, and they're telling me what I should check first.
Make sure we're not looking into the wrong thing and getting off track in the very beginning.
More answers, more fixes, more productivity.
The bidirectional part is pretty much mandatory nowadays. You got to have that on a scan tool or you're not going to get very far. The live data is really nice because I can read what's happening when it's actually happening.
Unmatched customer support is another plus, with training videos right on the tool, technical assistance from a dedicated support team, and of course, regular visits from your Snap-on franchisee.
If there's ever a problem, we just let him know and he just pretty much takes care of it right away, no questions asked.
Software upgrades are delivered directly to the tool via Wi-Fi, so you always have the latest capabilities. It's time to plus your career.
It feels really good to make customers happy. It's like going to the doctor's office, you know. I'm their doctor for their vehicle.
The feedback I get from my employees is that it's a great tool and they would not be able to do their job without it.
I love the SOLUS. It does what I need to do.
The SOLUS Plus is definitely my favorite.